Hi guys, welcome to the Code Program channel. So Code Programs is a collection of training programs, some free, some paid, but all jam-packed with hours of training in every area of online marketing that you could imagine. And you can access one of those courses right now by clicking the link in the description below or anywhere on this channel. I've been marketing online since 2008 and I get pretty obsessed with learning. So I thought it was about time that I get all the knowledge into the hands of anyone that wants to learn. With several totally free programs available for anyone that wants to get to grips with online marketing in this crazy world that we find ourselves in today. I've personally built up several e-commerce brands ranging from watches to high-priced household furniture. I've also launched more than 120 digital products, helped local businesses get more customers and made a good living as an affiliate marketer. And I did all that by simply mastering traffic on every single platform you could imagine, from SEO to Facebook ads, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest and everything in between. On this channel I aim to give away regular actionable strategies for all kinds of online business owners, whether you're a complete beginner or you're advanced, teaching everything I've learned over the last 12 years. So let's take a look at some live proof. I don't really like doing this kind of thing, but I just want you to be able to trust my word. Okay, so I know there's obviously a lot of people saying a lot of things about the earnings. I just want to get some earnings proof out of the way. Obviously this is relatively recent stuff. I've been marketing online now since 2012 and it'd be impossible for me to show you everything that's been earned over that time, but just to show you that I'm very active selling my own products and also as an affiliate marketer. In this one you can see this is what's been earned today, yesterday, over the last 30 days, the sales down here. Actually in my JVZoo account as well, this is all time, so there's $549,000 in that particular account. Obviously I also have some joint accounts as well. This is a product that I've promoted for many years, and you can see here there's 16,000 in affiliate earnings plus 55,000 in second tier commissions. This is all pure affiliate marketing. And this is inside another JVZoo account, and you can see the affiliate earnings here, 105,732. And then this is some vendor sales from another one. Obviously I've got lots of other accounts around on different platforms, but there you're looking at another 104,000 there, and then we had 100,000 plus 549,000 plus 55,000 is 16 there, so that's approaching 700,000. And then, as you can see in here, the lifetime sort of stats on this: 26,006 sales as a vendor, one of the top vendors on the platform, and $577,000. So that's well over $1 million just from those three accounts. It's like $1.2 million in sales. And again, as I said, the e-com stuff that I've done, $700,000 selling watches and all kinds of other stuff, high ticket dropshipping stuff. It's around about $4 million in sales since I started back in 2008. So hopefully that sort of cements the proof there, and thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, as I'll be releasing at least 2 to 3 videos every single week, and look out for the links for our 100% free courses. There's going to be regular free courses over the coming weeks, months, years. We're just going to keep them coming. So thanks a lot for watching and welcome to the Code Programs channel.